Yes, Arush Bangad, bolo. What we are going to do in the second question?
Yes, sir. So, sir, second question is in the given figure, name the following angles. A1, an acute angle at T. Sir, it will be Q, T, and S.
Q, T, and
S.
S. Is it an acute angle QTS? What is the definition of acute angle? First, tell me that.
Sir, less than 90 degree.
So, ये angle less
Sir,
than.
sorry. No, sir. It will be. It will be QPT.
T पे बोला है, अभी देखो यहाँ पे QPT. टी तो आया ही नहीं उसमें. टी यानी यहाँ पे ये दो एंगल बन रहे, देखो दिस टू एंगल. ये दोनों में से एक्यूट कौन सा है? क्यू टी पी एक्यूट है. क्यू टी एस
Okay, sir.
ऑब्ट्यूस है. ओके. तो यहाँ पे एन
Okay, sir.
एक्यूट एंगल एट टी. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? एंगल क्यू टी पी
QT.
विल बी द आंसर.
Okay, sir.
ओके, म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Ma'am.
यस. यस रेवा, बोलो.
Yes, sir. B question. An acute angle at Q. Answer is TQR.
एक्यूट एंगल एट क्यू. तो ये क्यू है. क्यू पे दो एंगल है, देखो एक ये वाला एंगल है और ये वाला एंगल है. तो एक्यूट कौन सा है इसमें से? ये तो 90 डिग्री का है, ये एक्यूट नहीं हो सकता. तो दूसरा वाला एंगल कौन सा है? आर क्यू टी. आर क्यू टी.
QT.
दिस इज एन एक्यूट एंगल.
Yes, sir. Sir,
ओके.
can I mute?
यस. यस वैष्णवी जाजू, नेक्स्ट वन.
Yes, sir.
हम्म.
In the given figure, name the following angles. Three obtuse angle. So, sir, obtuse angle means
मीन्स व्हाट?
no, no, sir. Sorry. Uh, QRS.
QRS, correct. It is an obtuse angle.
QRS and QTS.
QTS, correct. QTS. It is.
And one which PQR.
PQR, correct. Angle PQR. So these three are the obtuse angles. Is there any
Yes.
other obtuse angle here?
No, sir. Then QPT is an acute angle,
Correct.
and RST is also an acute angle. So these three are only obtuse angles.
Okay, correct. So these three are the obtuse
Yes.
angles.
Yes.
Okay, next one. Mute yourself. Okay, right angle. Who will tell me? Yes, Gaurav, bolo, right angle.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Remove that filter which you have applied to your
Yes, sir.
video, na? Remove it.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the right angle is PQT.
Right angle is PQT, correct. PQT is the right angle.
Yes, sir. But only one angle is there.
Only one angle is there. And from next time, don't apply such filters. Huh? Otherwise, I will throw you out of the class. Yes, next. Riddhi Siddhi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Classify the angles whose magnitudes are given below.
Hmm.
132. This is
This is what?
acute angle. Acute angle.
This is obtuse angle.
130.
More than 90 it is.
अरे I
Acute
think
angle
180
less than 90 होते हैं.
more than 180 मुझे लगा.
More than 90 and less than 180 it is. So it is an obtuse angle.
180 से बड़ा क्यों लगा? Yes.
Yes, Vraj, next one. Yes, Vraj, bolo.
Classify the angles whose magnitudes are given below. P26. It is an acute angle because it is below of 90 degree.
Correct. This is an acute angle. Okay. Next, Lisa Sukani.
Yes, sir.
170 degree.
Yes, sir. Sir, then
Aditya Katti.
Yes, sir. Answer is one obtuse angle.
This is an obtuse angle because it is more than 90 and less than 180.
Yes, sir. Can I mute?
Yes. Shweta Pawar.
sir, D1.
Yes.
Sir, it is acute angle because it is below 90 degree.
Cute or acute?
हाँ वही
This
acute.
is an acute angle. Because it is less than 90 degree, correct. Okay, next one. Harshita Dodia.
E179 degree. Sir, it is acute angle.
Correct. This is an acute angle. Okay, mute yourself. Rudra.
Yes, sir.
Bolo next one. Tell
Sir,
fast.
it is a obtuse.
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle.
You're not able to pronounce it. Yes, Rudra. Rudra,
Yes, sir.
are you not able to pronounce it? What it is? Tell me again.
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle, correct. Okay. Next, Srushti Rathi.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is obtuse angle.
Why? What is the reason?
Sir, because it is below 180 and after 90.
Correct. This is an obtuse angle, correct. Okay, next one. $320. Devesh Soni.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's 320 degrees, so it will be a reflex angle because it is between
360 and 180.
Yeah, turn on your camera first.
Yes, sir.
Why
Am
you
I
want?
visible?
Why you wanted to share the screen?
Sir, I didn't want it.
Ah, you have sent a request to me for sharing the screen.
Ah,
You had sent
no,
me
sir,
a.
I wasn't there.
You wasn't there. Your name came and you wasn't there. Mute yourself.
Sir, someone else would join with my name.
रुद्र तौरा वाला.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, it's a reflex angle.
Next one.
Okay, sir. Next one.
Find the measure of each unknown angle. तो सबसे पहले ये वाला जो रे है और ये वाला जो रे है इसके बीच में एंगल कितना है, ये टोटल एंगल.
Sir, 90 degree right angle.
Okay, so it is a 90-degree angle. So what we have, sum of complementary angles. Sum of complementary angles, what it is?
90 degree, sir.
It is equal to 90 degree. तो इसमें दो एंगल है, देखो, एक 45 डिग्री का है और दूसरा ए है, अननोन है, वो हमको पता नहीं है. सो 45 प्लस ए विल बी इक्वल टू 90. सो ए विल बी व्हाट, 90 माइनस 45.
45.
So A will come
Sir,
45 degree.
45 degree.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
can I mute myself?
Yes, yes. Parth Agrawal.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Turn on the camera also. बोलो.
Sir, for 30 degree and we have to find B angle.
So what is the value of B angle then? Which type of angles are this? First tell me this. Whenever there are two lines, तो ये दोनों लाइन के एग्जैक्ट अपोजिट साइड में जो एंगल्स बनते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड एज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. ओके, these are
Yes, sir.
called as vertically opposite angles. और ये दोनों एंगल्स का वैल्यू भी सेम होता है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ये एंगल और ये एंगल वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है, तो ये 30 डिग्री है, तो बी भी हो जाएगा 30 डिग्री. Okay, because these two are vertically opposite angles. Write down the reason also, as they are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so B will be equal to 30 degree. So B will be equal to 30 degree. Yes, next Madhvi Lohia. Madhvi.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, what's your doubt?
Sir, vertically, these are vertically opposite angle, na? So how B is equal to 30 degree?
What I told, जो vertically opposite angle है वो equal होते हैं. तो ये अगर 30 डिग्री का है तो ये भी 30 डिग्री का हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, मतलब एक अगर 30 डिग्री का है तो दूसरा भी 30 डिग्री का ही होगा ना?
अभी यहाँ पे देखो, यही फिगर में, ओके, ये 150 डिग्री का हो जाएगा, तो ये भी 150 डिग्री का हो जाएगा. ये दोनों भी
अच्छा,
वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स.
तो दोनों सेम ही रहेंगे.
यस. कैन यू टेल मी द आंसर फॉर नेक्स्ट वन नाउ?
यस.
बोलो. Find the measure of each unknown angle. The figure is given to you.
Sir, there are 3, so how we will get it?
See, one complete revolution is of how much degree?
160, 180,
360. One complete revolution
360. Sorry.
is of
360 degree.
360 डिग्री. ओके, तो देखो यहाँ पे,
Yes.
यहाँ से ये रे से हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. यहाँ से यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो ये इसका वैल्यू है x. फिर यहाँ से
X.
यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो इसका वैल्यू है
60,
60. फिर यहाँ से यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो इसका वैल्यू है 40.
40,
यहाँ से यहाँ पे फिर से जाएंगे तो इसका वैल्यू है 150. और ये वन
150.
कंप्लीट रिवॉल्यूशन हो गया ना अभी. दैट इज इक्वल टू
हाँ.
360 डिग्री. तो 60 plus 40 is what? 100. 100 plus 150 is 250. So x plus 250
250,
will be equal to 360 degree.
360
So
degree.
x will be equal to 360 minus 250. बोलो कितना आता है?
Just a second, sir. Sir, yeah, just a second. 110.
110, correct. So the value of x will
Okay,
be
sir.
what? 110.
110.
Okay. Next one. Okay, who will do this? Next one. Yes, Lisa. Lisa Sukhani.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, it's a
Turn on the camera
complete-
also.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's a complete circle, so we will add all the digits.
Okay, one complete revolution is equal to 360 degree. So we'll start from this ray, हाँ? यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाएंगे
Yes,
तो ये
sir.
है x. उसके बाद ये है 30, so plus 30. उसके बाद ये है 40, so plus 40. उसके बाद ये है 140, so plus 140. उसके बाद ये है 90, तो हम लोग 90 जोड़ देंगे. और वन कंप्लीट रिवॉल्यूशन हमारा कंप्लीट हो गया. दैट इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. सो एट दिस
Yes,
30
sir.
plus 40 is 70. 70 plus
70.
140 is 210 plus 90 is
210,
300.
300. Sir, so x is equals to 60 degree.
Correct. X is equal to 60 degree. Okay. In this way only you will write the answers. Next one. Draw the angle using inner counterclockwise. First of all, tell me clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Do you know clockwise and anti-clockwise direction? Yes. Gaurav, bolo. What is clockwise and anti-clockwise?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Clock.
Clockwise means
See, this is a clock. For example, consider this as a clock. So when we move clockwise, in which direction we move? Downward
Right
or
side.
upward? Your voice is not coming.
Sir, now,
Huh.
yes, sir, we will move to downside means right side.
Correct. We will move in this direction for clockwise
Yes, sir.
direction along the clock. The direction along the clock is called as clockwise, and exactly इसका opposite होता है anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Okay. Exactly इसका opposite direction होता है anti-clockwise. Now we have to Draw an angle of 50 degree using the protractor. Everyone is having the protractor and geometric box, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got it from school. Okay. So now we will see that how to draw it. Is the screen visible to you?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. See, this is the protractor. Okay. This is the protractor. अभी सबसे पहले तो हमको लाइन बनाना पड़ेगा. We will draw a line. See, for that we will use the scale. Okay. So first we'll draw a line. See, this is a line. Now what we have to do, we have to take either this point or this point. Okay. I will suggest that take this point only. Okay. I will put this scale aside. Then I will put a D here. Okay. Protractor here. And then I have to take how much degree? What is given in the question? Yes. Gaurav, question में क्या given है?
Sir, it is given 50 degree.
50 degree counterclockwise, or what is given in front of that 50 degree?
Sir, it is nothing given. Sir, it's counterclockwise. Clockwise.
So what do you mean by counterclockwise then? It means anti-clockwise.
Sir, it means anti-clockwise.
Okay. So here we will mark a point.
Sir, which screen you are sharing?
50 degree. 50 degree पे हमने. See, in this direction we will have to go. In this direction. Because clockwise is this direction, उसका exact opposite है anti-clockwise. तो ये वाले direction में हमको आगे move करना पड़ेगा. So I have marked the point here for 50 degree. Now I will remove this protractor here. I will take this scale. I will rotate it. Okay. And then we will have to draw a line here now. Adjust the scale. Okay. Now draw a line here. Is it clear to you?
Sir, your exercise 7.2, that screen is visible.
That screen is visible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you see it? Again, I will draw it for you. Again, I will draw it for you. Okay. Now pay attention. First, we will take a scale. Now the screen is visible, na?
Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
Now we will draw a line first. Okay. Then we will put this scale aside. We will take the protractor. We will put at this point. Okay. Now in this direction, because it is counterclockwise direction, we have to take 50 degrees. So this is the point where the value is 50 degree. Okay. I have marked a point. I will put this protractor aside. Then I will take the scale again, rotate it, draw a line. Okay. Draw a straight line joining these 2 points. Okay. Is it clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
So this angle is what? It is of 50 degree. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Using
sir.
your
Yes, sir.
geometric box, you will do this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one is what? Next one is
Sir, 75 degree.
75 degree. Okay, 75 degree हमको draw करना है अभी. Again, it is counterclockwise only. So 75 degree. So we'll draw it. Okay, we'll clear everything first. Okay, again we will take a scale. First we'll draw a straight line. Everything you will do with pencil only, huh? यहाँ पे पेन से कुछ भी नहीं करना है in the construction work. Then you will take the D, you'll put it at this point and 75. Now see, this is 70, this is 60. 60 के बाद 70, 70 के बाद ये बीच में जो point है ना, this is 75. I have marked a point. I will take the scale and draw a line. Draw a line and join these 2 points. Okay, till here only you draw it. ये नीचे का part नहीं निकालना है आपको. Okay, this angle is what? It is 75 degree. Don't draw this portion. By mistake it happened. Is it clear to everyone? Give the response in the chat box. Give the names also to these angles. This is A, this is O, and suppose this is B. So angle AOB is equal to 75 degree. Yes, this is an acute angle because this is less than 90 degree. Now remaining angles you will do it at your home, huh? That is homework to you. I will not draw each and every angle and show it to you now. Remaining angles you will draw it now. If anyone is having any doubt, you can ask me. So next is what? 75 के बाद आपको कौन सा एंगल बनाना है? You have to make the angle 125 degree. 125 degree, it is an obtuse angle. You will draw it. उसके बाद 153 degree. After that 20 degree. After that, now these are clockwise. हाँ, question number 6 में आपको clockwise angle बनाना है. Clockwise यानी I will show one example of that also, clockwise. Okay. Okay, now see, 20 degree we have to draw, and that too clockwise. So we will see this example. Okay, now pay attention. I have taken the scale. First we will draw a straight line using the scale. See, this is the straight line. उसके बाद हमको प्रोटेक्टर लेना है. स्केल को हम लोग साइड में रख देंगे. This is our protector. Now clockwise means downward it will go, huh? So you will take this protector in this direction. Okay, you will take this protector in this direction. So clockwise 20 means it will come here at this point. Remove this. Take the scale. Take the scale and draw the line. Join these 2 points. Okay. So this angle is of 20 degree. Okay. This angle is of 20 degree and that too clockwise. Is it clear to you? Give the names. This is point O, this is point Y, this is point X. So XOY angle is of 20 degree. Is it clear to everyone? You will do it. That is homework to you. And today only you will do it. Sixth question number 6 भी आपको homework है पूरा. 65 degree निकालना है उसके बाद. After that 130 degree clockwise. After that 142 degree. For clockwise, keep the D in the reverse direction. Okay, question number 7, we will take it tomorrow. Question number 7, we will take it tomorrow. Till question number 6, you will complete it. You will draw all the angles. Using scale, pencil and protractor only. If it is drawn with pen, I will cut it immediately. I will not accept it. Geometric construction should be done with the help of pencils only. For clockwise, only for clockwise, Aditya Khatti, only for clockwise, keep the D in the opposite direction. For counterclockwise, keep it straight only, जैसे हम लोग रखते हैं, in this direction. For counterclockwise, keep the D in this direction. For clockwise, keep the D in this direction. Okay. So we will stop here. Do the homework. Tomorrow I can ask anyone to show me the book. Huh?